Now see exercise 5.1 question number 8. In question number 8 they are saying Wasim spent rupees 4.5 out of rupees 6 and Naseem spent rupees 8 out of rupees 12. Who spent less? They are giving us the income and spend of two persons, Naseem and Wasim, and they are asking who spend less, means कौन कम खर्च करता है इसमें से. So first of all, see ratio of spend and income of Wasim. What is spend? 4.5. What is income? Rupees 6. So 0.5 is half, 4 upon 2 and 6. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 upon 2, ratio 6. Now we have to convert into a whole number. We will multiply by 2. That is the LCM of denominator. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 9 1s are 9 and 6 2s are 12. I can reduce it by dividing 3. By dividing 3, it will become 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Or I can write it 3 upon 4. That is the ratio of Wasim spend and income. Now we will find ratio of spend and income of Naseem. Okay. Now what is the spend and income of Wasim? In book it is given rupees 8 and rupees 12. That is the expenditure of Wasim and income of Wasim is 12. So if I reduce it 12 and 4 by dividing by 4, it will become 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12 by dividing 4. Or I can write it 2 upon 3. 2 ratio 3 is written can be 2 upon 3. Now this is the ratio of Wasim expenditure and income, and that is 3 upon 4. That is the ratio of Naseem, that is 2 upon 3 of his income and expenditure. Now comparing both ratio. Now comparing both of the ratio. Now comparing both ratios. Okay, that is 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Now we want to compare it. There are two methods to compare it, by the cross multiplication or by taking the LCM of the denominator. So first of all, check first method, cross multiplication. Which is greater? We don't know, so we mark both of the mark, less than and greater than. Which one is greater? So we multiply cross multiplication and write it here by cross multiplication. Okay, multiplication. So 3 3s are 9 and 4 2s are 8. Which is less? Which is greater? Obviously 9 is greater and 8 is less, so I mark it 9 is greater than 3. This belongs to, this is the ratio of Naseem and this is the ratio of Wasim. So this 8 belongs to Naseem. So who spend less? Naseem spend less. So what is the result? Naseem spend less.